Alright guys, welcome back. So I get this 2009 Bmw 328I. So I'm gonna show you how to change your leak detection pump. So this is it right here. That's it. It came in this box. I'm going to pin the link in the description from Amazon. You can get this pump. So first I get under the vehicle. So right here I have 6, 7, 8. So I've removed 9 bolts. So right here I have 8 bolts right there. I've removed to get on this guard on the passenger side rear of the vehicle. So there's a bolt, 8mm bolt. It's behind here where the wheel arches. Okay, seems like it okay, it's dropped out. This is it right here. Let's remove it. It's go right behind the wheel, behind here. So this is the pump I'm going to replace. So I'm going to have to remove 2 10 bolts from here. The rest of them is 8mm bolt. So I use this impact wrench to get it out real quick. So first I have to unhook these wire. See if I can unhook this wire from it. Just squeeze that clip and rock it off. Okay, so now I get it off, guys. That's it right there. Now I'm going to have to see if I can remove these lines. Just squeeze these clip right here and rock it off. Okay, so now I get one off, and I was gonna do the same thing with this one. Gonna squeeze it and pull off, just like this, guys. So there's another one above it. Have to squeeze under the same thing, and there you go. So I remove all of them now, guys. So now I have to remove this charcoal canister, which I need 10. Alright. So I'll get it right out of the hole right here. Alright. So this is it right here, guys. Alright, so now I get one of the bolts out, so I'm just gonna have to push it back in this hole. So I can pinch it back in there. Alright, I have to get back the screw. Alright, so now I get it back, guys. That's it. So I'm going to remove this leak detection pump. Let's see if I can find the correct one. Alright, so I'm going to have to go get the right tool. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys, so now the screws are 3 T20 Torx. So I already loosened them to get out the pump. There we go, 3 of them. And now I'm going to get the pump off. See if I can use a screwdriver to pry it off. Alright, there you go, guys. So that's it right there. So now I have to remove this piece of rubber. I'm going to have to remove this piece of rubber, guys, but I'm going to have to pause the video and get it off. Alright, guys, so I just use the screwdriver to push underneath the rubber to pry it off so I can get it out. So now I'm going to put it back inside of the canister, just like this, guys. And now I'm going to install the new pump. going like something like this, guys. Right, so now I get it in right there. I just need to get back the screws. Alright. Alright guys, so now that I get back the screws in, I'm going to get it back in this hole. So there's a piece on the back right here that you're going to have to push right there. So let me see if I can use my alright guys, so right, and there we go. So now I get that piece in, so I just need to get back all these wire lines. The one on the top first. Just snap in just like that, guys. I'm gonna do this small one right here. There you go, hear that click. And there you go. So hook back the wire. Alright, so that's it right there, guys. So I just have this guard to install back, guys. So that's it for now. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.